In today's video, I'll teach you a really special method that has the potential to completely transform your life, in the same way that technology has made our lives easier throughout the years. I'll be showing you different tips and tricks on how to earn money using this method efficiently. I'm willing to bet that you won't believe me, and I tell you that you can make money simply by clicking your mouse or touching your phone. By just simply clicking and tapping, you can earn an adequate quantity of money to support yourself and your family. You can buy a new house, buy a new apartment, new kitchen furniture, and so much more. This method that I'll be showing you does not need any technical skills or experience. Even beginners can do this method and be successful. You do not need a large social media following or any of that. No monthly subscriptions or weekly payments. It is all 100% free. You do not need to let money out of your pockets. And lastly, this method is available worldwide. Anyone from any part of the world can do this with ease. All you need is a laptop or mobile phone to get started. I'll walk you through the steps today, which will cover how to sign up for a free account, as well as a range of real world examples. And if you stick with me until the end of this video, I'll even throw in something really interesting for you. But before we start, let me just tell you that this method is not a get rich quick scheme. It will not and cannot replace your day job. However, this method can help you earn extra income from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day to day expenses. All you need is a little bit of time and effort, and it will be all worth it. Now that's out of the way, sit back, relax, pay close attention, and let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. I want you to go to the website called moreniche.com, and once you have entered it on your browser's address bar, it should look like this. Now, before we start using this website, let's get familiar with it, shall we? Mortgage is the #1 health affiliate network, and they have paid approximately $54 million in commissions since 2002. As an affiliate of this website, you can earn up to 70% commission when promoting a product on their website. They also pay you in a bi-weekly method, meaning on every 15th and the last day of the month. The currencies that you can receive when getting paid are in pounds, USD, or euro. The choice is yours. And the payment methods that are available are Skrill, Wire, Bitcoin, Paxful, and UK Bank Transfer. If you want more information about the website, you can just scroll through the page right here to learn more. Now, the next thing I want you to do is click the brands option on the upper right part of the website. These are the products that you can promote on this website. You can promote various brands and their products such as Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Pen Gold, Prime Shred, and Zotrim. You must be wondering, are these brands and products legit? No need to worry, these brands are 100% owned brands, meaning each of them has been thoroughly researched and assessed before entering the network. You can trust that whatever you choose to promote, it will sell well. For example, we want to promote Zotrim, which is a very popular brand. If we click on it, we can see more details about it. We can see that this product is an herbal weight loss supplement, reduces hunger, improves energy, and backed up by clinical studies and expert approved papers. We can also see here the percentage of the commission that you can make and the average conversion rate for this product. For Zotrim, it has 40% commission rate and 22.7% average conversion rate, which is higher than average. If you scroll down below, you can see how much you can earn in a year if you start promoting Zotrim now. Now, that's a lot of money. You can also go to the main website of Zotrim to get a better idea of how the product works by clicking this button right here. You can see more details about this product and how much it costs. if you look at right here, we can see that these are the prices of the products that you will be promoting. And if any person buys it using your affiliate link, you get 40% of it, which is a lot. Zotrim's rapid and free global delivery means that you'll receive a lot of sales and customers from all over the world, which is why I like to promote them. These services will be purchased by most of them since they provide fast and free shipment to all countries. Therefore, a large number of people, notably affiliates from all over the world, are earning a substantial amount of money by marketing Zotrim. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. As you can see, just by promoting a single product, you can earn a large amount of money per year. So to become an affiliate and start marketing, just click the Join Free button right here and select the affiliate option. Then just fill up this form and you are now an affiliate of More Niche and you can now start promoting Zotrim. Next thing I want you to do is go to findaforum.net. Then click on the categories option right here. And now you can see a bunch of categories that you can choose from. Art and literature, business and economy, music, and so much more. Since Zotrim is a weight loss product, we should focus on health category. Once you found the health category, look for the subcategory of dieting and weight loss. And I want you to go and click it. Once you click it, you are now presented with a list of forums related to dieting and weight loss. Now just choose one of the forums and share your affiliate link right here. Or if you want to be efficient, you can visit all of the forums and share your affiliate link to all of them. As an example, let's visit one forum. Just click on any forum that you want to visit. Click on Visit Forum and you will automatically be redirected to the website. Now, before you can post anything on these forums, you need to create an account first. It is super simple and very easy. Then after creating an account, you can start posting and sharing your affiliate link. You have the freedom to post whatever you want on these forums in order to make a sale. Take advantage of this situation because the individuals who participate in these forums are primarily concerned with one thing: losing weight and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. The more people click on your link and buy your product, the more money you earn. So share it to as many forums as possible. And it is as simple as that. Now you go out there and start earning. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.